Hello everyone, and thanks for joining us for this week's Solid State Watch. I'm Shannon Davis, the web editor for Solid State Technology, and now let's take a look at the top headlines we've been tracking from November 8th through November 14th, 2013. The Semiconductor Industry Association announced that Mike Splinter has been named the 2013 recipient of SIA's highest honor, the Robert N. Noyce Award. SIA presents the Noyce Award annually in recognition of a leader who has made significant contributions to the U.S. semiconductor industry in technology or public policy. Splinter, a 40-year veteran of the semiconductor industry, is the former CEO and current executive chairman of the board of directors at Applied Materials. He was named president and CEO of Applied Materials and a member of its board of directors in 2003 and became chairman of the board in 2009. There are numerous changes expected within the top 20 semiconductor ranking in 2013 as compared to the top 20 ranking of 2012, according to IC Insight's November update of the McLean Report. Some of the companies forecast to rise in the ranking include SK Hynix, which, despite a significant fire and production setback at its largest memory fab in China, is still taking full advantage of the surge in the DRAM market this year and is expected to move up 3 places and into the top 5. Also, Broadcom is forecast to edge into the top 10, Micron is expected to move up 2 spots, spurred by its acquisition of Elpida, in the third quarter of 2013, and MediaTek is forecast to jump 6 positions into 16th place and into the top 20 ranking for the first time. MediaTek is experiencing extremely strong demand for its devices in the booming low-end smartphone business in China and other Asia-Pacific locations. In fact, MediaTek expects its application processor shipments for smartphones to reach over 200 million units this year, about double its 108 million units the company shipped in 2012. ST Microelectronics has been selected by the MEMS Industry Group and affiliated voters as the Company of the Year. Adding to ST's Company of the Year recognition, Benedetto Vigna, the company's VP and General Manager of ST's Analog MEMS Sensor and Sensors Group, was acknowledged as Executive of the Year, and the 20mm by 20mm E-Compass captured Device of the Year recognition. The presentation of the first annual Innovation in MEMS Awards took place Friday, November 8th at the MEMS Executive Congress. Tosoh Corporation announced this week that it will implement a major expansion at its Grove City, Ohio operations to develop physical vapor deposition sputtering targets for the new 450mm wafer semiconductor market. The expansion is the biggest investment in Tosoh's history and will include facilities, novel equipment and tools for manufacturing, and a sputter deposition tool for R&D and evaluation purposes. The first stage is slated to be ready by December 2014. For more industry headlines during the week, be sure to follow us on Twitter or like us on Facebook. For Solid State Technology Magazine, I'm Shannon Davis. Thanks for watching and see you next week.